In this video, you are going to see how to turn a square picture into a circle in Microsoft Word document, as you can see here. Let's get started. Let us go to Insert, go to Picture, go to this device. Let us choose this picture, click on Insert. Now, click on over here, go to Picture Format, go to Crop, go to Aspect Ratio and make it 1:1 and adjust it like this. Now, click on over here. Go to crop to shape and select the oval shape. Now you can increase or decrease the size. If you want to move it freely, go to picture format, go to wrap text, click on in front of text. Now you can move it freely and you can decrease the size. If you want to adjust it, click on over here, click on crop and you can adjust it like this. Now if you want to add the border, click on over here, go to picture border, you can add it from here. Go to picture border, go to wide, you can increase the wide. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.